In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Booking.com. Whether you're an experienced traveler or a newcomer to online booking, managing your payment methods efficiently and securely is crucial for having a seamless experience. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Booking.com website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This takes you to your account dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your booking details. From the main dashboard, locate the profile icon. This is typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll select My Account. This section contains all your personal information and booking preferences, including your payment details. Now, let's focus on the payment information. Under your account settings, you'll see a section titled Payment Info. Click on Payment Methods within this section. This area is specifically dedicated to managing the various ways you can pay for your bookings. Here, you can view, add, or remove previously used payment methods, allowing you to stay organized and ensure that your preferred payment options are always available when you need them. To add a new card, locate and click on Add Card. This brings up a form where you'll need to enter the relevant card details. Let's start with the cardholder's name. Make sure to enter this exactly as it appears on the card to avoid any potential processing or verification issues. Next, carefully input the card number. Double-check this number to ensure accuracy, as any errors could result in the card not being accepted during the transaction process. After entering the card number, proceed to the expiration date. This typically consists of the month and year shown on the front of your card. Ensuring these details are correct is essential for your payment method to be validated. Once all the information is accurately filled out, it's time to save your new card. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the form. Clicking it will securely store your card details within your Booking.com account. With this step completed, you've successfully added a new payment method to your account. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review your saved payment methods to maintain an updated and secure account. This ensures smooth transactions when booking your next trip. That's it for today's guide on adding a payment method to Booking.com. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to many seamless bookings in your future.